Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
You have Ritesh Deshmukh, you have Rashi Khanna, Janelia Deshmukh, Moni Roy, Shraddha Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Salman Khan. I am delighted to announce the names of Ms. Hema Malini, actor, Member of Parliament from Mathura, UP, and Mr. Prasoon Joshi, Lyricist and Chairperson CBFC, as the Indian Film Personality of the Year 2021, Satyajit Ray Centenary Award, Esteban Zabo and Martin Scorsese. This time, IFFI received a record of 624 films from 95 countries. Last year we had received films from about 69 countries. The opening film is The King of All the World, directed by Carlos Saura. Closing film is A Hero, directed by Asghar Farhadi, the Grand Prix winner at the Cannes Film Festival. Why we say this is we just want to give to you a flavor of the kind of programming and films that are coming in as far as the International Film Festival of India is concerned.
गोंय इफ्फीक सज्ज पणजे इफ्फीचें काम नेटान चालू आसा.
We are ready and we are all set to welcome all the international and national guests here, and we shall take care of all hospitality with up to their satisfaction.